All right, Aiden's gonna build the Mario frog, right, buddy?
Yeah. Frog Mario from Lego Super Mario. You got that?
Yep, and it's a power pack. So let's build it, huh, bud?
Yeah.
Looks like you're getting off to a good start.
Yeah.
Does he have a big hard shell?
Mom, don't do that.
I'm getting the whole picture in there, honey.
Don't move
Okay.
the camera.
Okay.
Dad, focus.
I'm focused, buddy. Right in on that frog. You're building that awful nice and fast. That's good. We got stuff to do tonight, right, buddy?
Yeah.
What's next?
We need a few more pieces. There we go.
All right.
All right.
You all set?
Yeah.
Very nice, buddy.
Wait a minute. We gotta unbox some more.
Okay, we'll be
Okay.
right back. We'll be right back. We have more to unbox.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Wait, we gotta unbox some more.
Yes, we are. We're going to watch some, unbox some more.